canal 20 years ago on my upper first molar, which has a cap. A recent cavity next to it required a new root canal and cap. My dentist now suggests a joint cap for both teeth. Is it better to go with a joint cap or individual caps?
We normally recommend not joining the two teeth unless if it is a bridge situation. So what a bridge means, like you have a tooth in the back and then you have a tooth in the front, you have a missing spot in the middle, and now you're joining the two teeth, and so joining the two teeth together and put the bridge together in between. That is considered kind of a standard of treatment, and I'm not sure like what is going on in your situation, why the dentist is recommending, particularly if you are having what we call it as a mobility or some kind of a teeth, like the teeth are mobile, and you may start to have some bone loss or some unexplained mobility because of your bite that is happening, and that is one of the reasons why your dentist may be recommending that they need to connect the two teeth together. So if they are wanting to do it for sure, then my recommendation, one of the main reasons why the teeth get mobile, and particularly a good tooth getting mobile, is because of either the opposing tooth, or it may be related to because of some kind of a grinding or a clenching habit that you may have, and that needs to be corrected along with that or prior to connecting the two teeth to see whether it goes away. If it goes away, and just by correcting the source of the problem, which is because of your bite or because of your clenching or grinding, then connecting the two teeth is not recommended, or it is not something that I would recommend. You keep the teeth individual crown. It's easier to floss in between. Otherwise, when you connect them together, you can't really floss in between. So again, talk to your dentist and then see what the condition of the teeth are, and which is as making your dentist think that the teeth need to be connected and they should be able to help you.
Perfect, absolutely.